Changing the batteries in your wireless alarm system is easy and should be done every 12 to 24 months depending on how frequently your sensors trigger. The 4 steps to changing your alarm sensor battery are: first, remove the cover of the sensor carefully. In most cases, the cover is held by a small screw. When you open your alarm sensor, it will trigger the tamper alarm and start your alarm ringing. You can't do anything about this unless you have a special engineer code. Remove the old battery and replace with new one. After swapping batteries, make sure you place the cover back firmly so as not to cause a tamper alarm problem. Every wireless alarm system will have a different alarm battery inside. Here's our guide to which battery to use in the most common alarm systems. Please note, you should buy alarm batteries from a reputable specialist alarm supplier and make sure they're the correct sort to avoid system faults. These specialist alarm batteries may be a little more expensive, but are worth it. Texecom wireless alarm sensors use CR123A batteries. Texecom micro-size sensors use CR2450 batteries. Honeywell wireless alarm sensors use CR123A batteries. Visonic wireless alarm sensors use CR123A batteries. Infinite Prime wireless alarm sensors use half AA batteries. ADT alarms with Visonic or Honeywell technologies both use CR123A batteries. We hope this helps. If you need an alarm sensor battery, you can buy a pack from smartsecurity.store, our online store specialising in alarm batteries.